Hey everyone, if you're getting a network error on HandBrake, like it can't download updates, load sources, or connect properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake network errors on your PC. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable before trying anything else because a weak connection can trigger errors. Next, restart your router and computer. This clears temporary network glitches that may block HandBrake from connecting properly. Turn off any VPN or proxy services. These can sometimes interfere with network access and cause connection failures. Make sure HandBrake is allowed through your firewall. Windows security settings may block the app from accessing the internet without warning. Try running HandBrake as administrator. This ensures the software has full permission to access network resources. You can also change your DNS settings. Using a public DNS like Google DNS can help fix unstable or blocked connections. And finally, update or reinstall HandBrake if nothing works. Corrupted installation files can sometimes cause persistent network errors. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake network error on PC. Follow each step carefully, and your connection issues should be resolved. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone!